And wildfires have broken out in Greece as temperatures top 40 degrees near Athens. A heat wave is also expected to hit the UK in the coming week, with a yellow warning for high temperatures from 8 o'clock tomorrow morning.
A yellow heat health alert has been put in place for most of England this week, as daytime temperatures are set to reach up to 30 degrees Celsius as warm air surges north across the UK. The alerts from the UK Health Security Agency indicates that weather conditions could pose a risk to those who are particularly vulnerable and could cause minor impacts across the health and social care sector.
And take care in the heat. There's a yellow health warning for the coming days as temperatures are forecast to hit 30 Celsius. Now, a heat health alert will be in place from tomorrow morning across most of England for this week. You can see just how much is covered there in yellow. That's as daytime temperatures are set to hit 30 degrees Celsius in some areas because of warm air surging north across the UK. The alert from the UK Health Security Agency indicates that weather conditions could pose a risk, particularly to vulnerable people, elderly people or anyone with multiple health conditions or on multiple medications. There could also be an impact on the health and social care sectors. Well, with high UV levels, the advice is to wear high-factor sun cream, to stay hydrated at all times and try to avoid the midday sun.
Hello, a very good afternoon to you. A bit of a cloudy start in places today.
Hello there, good afternoon. If you ordered some summer heat, well, I'm pleased to say it's on its way over the next few days. That doesn't mean, though, that we're expecting wall-to-wall sunshine. For some of us, it is going to be a fairly cloudy picture in the coming days. This was the picture in Exeter just a short time ago, but contrast that with these blue skies on the beach at Galston-on-Sea. A lovely way to spend the afternoon. Now, over the coming days, the heat is going to be building and there will be plenty of sunny skies to be found. And the reason for the change is the change in the jet stream. Now, at the start of June, the jet stream was to the south of the UK, allowing us to bring in that colder air. But since it's moved its way northwards, we're bringing in that much warmer and at times more humid air.
Hello, a very good evening to you. Hope you had a lovely weekend. It is becoming rather warm over the next few days, in places feeling hot. And generally, our weather will be dry as we start this week, with decent amounts of sunshine on offer.
Hi there, good afternoon. Some glorious sunshine around earlier. A bit more in the way of fair with the cloud bubbling up over the coming hours.
Hello there. We've had a taste of summer this weekend and that summer heat is going to be continuing into the start of next week. But it doesn't mean it's going to be sunny the whole time. Many of us saw quite a lot of cloud on Sunday. This was the view in Gloucestershire. But if you did manage to get that sunshine coming through, well, it definitely looked like a picture postcard here in Worthing. Pollen levels generally going to be very high across the UK. If you're a hay fever sufferer, you don't need me to tell you that.
Hello, good evening. Well, it's certainly been feeling like summer and we continue with the summery weather over the next few days, becoming hot and humid, and there will be some spells of sunshine, some variable amounts of cloud.
Good evening. As you heard in the news, heat features in the weather this week, certainly quite widely as we start the week, but it will be a week of change. To go with that heat, we will see humid conditions by day and by night, but fresher weather will gradually arrive from the north and west and eventually to all parts by the time we see the week out.